In an excellent shade of red with some black and white, we have a 2013 Suzuki GXS-R600. I've heard it pronounced Gixxer and Gixxer, so I'm going to go with that. Here we have a 5-year-old bike with 3,530 miles. That goes far to explain why it still looks so great. 600cc inline 4-cylinder engine that develops an amazing amount of power, especially enjoyable on a bike this light. They're called sport bikes for a reason. And this red, black and white beauty is available 7 days a week for test rides at North County Indian Motorcycle between Vista and Escondido, right off the 78 in San Marcos.